In this video, we're going to carve a beautiful wooden bird from scratch using this DIY kit. I'll walk you through everything that comes inside the box, how to prepare, and step by step, we'll create something amazing together. The kit includes 2 basswood blanks. They're perfect for carving because the wood is soft and easy to work with. You'll also get a bird design template, which will help guide the carving process. Here's a carving knife. It's razor sharp right out of the box and holds its edge beautifully. It'll last you for years. This is the sharpening strop with polishing compound to keep your knife in perfect condition. Finger protection tape. This will help keep your hands safe while carving. 4 sheets of sandpaper with different grits for smoothing your project. A pencil for marking your cuts. And finally, a brush and paint set for adding color to your finished piece. Let's start by gluing the template onto the blanks. I'm using regular glue here, just make sure it's firmly attached. Next, we'll sharpen the knife. Apply a bit of polishing compound to the strop and gently pull the blade across to keep that edge razor sharp. Now wrap your fingers for extra protection before we begin carving. Take your time, work slowly, and always cut away from your hands. Basswood is easy to shape, so enjoy the process and watch the bird come to life. Once the carving is done, it's time to paint. Feel free to choose your own colors. You don't have to follow mine exactly. A little sanding will smooth out any rough spots and make the piece look even better. And here's the finished bird, a simple, beautiful project you can be proud of.